to get a rock, the sidewalk. They try to break the sidewalk. You see the truck? It's a big rock, big sidewalk. Look at that. You see? Yeah, it's huge, but the truck is big. Oh wow, look at that. Wow, it's moving the sidewalk because of the Hurricane Irma. The sidewalk moved. It's a big machine. Wow. Yeah, the tree was so big that it damaged, it moved it lifted the sidewalk completely. It was a huge tree. Okay, I hope that you enjoy my video. Okay, this is the county trying to move a tree and a piece of sidewalk. You see, very strong machine. That's the arm. It's like a fork. They try to move it from the street. Okay. Bueno, this is saying you will see more videos from me. Thank you.